हेलो फ्रेंड्स एंड वेलकम टू वंस अगेन ऑन माय यूट्यूब चैनल डेली रीडिंग सेशन। तो चलिए हम लोग स्टार्ट करते हैं एक आर्टिकल। IMD इशू एडवाइजरी वाज वास्ट स्वेत ऑफ द कंट्री ब्रास फॉर इवन hotter day ahead as April near its end. Large part of the northern and central India are already in the grip of a blistering heat wave, with temperatures soaring well beyond seasonal norms. Delhi, the national capital, has touched 22 degrees Celsius, an ominous marker considering that the hottest month of May and June still lie ahead. The India Meteorological Department (IMD) has sounded a yellow alert for city, warning the maximum temperature could touch 43 degrees Celsius in the coming days, a full 3-4 degree above the usual average for this time of year. This unrelenting heat has not spread other part of the country either. The state across north, central and eastern India, including Rajasthan, Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand, Odisha and West Bengal, are witnessing an early and intense summer. In part of Jharkhand, temperatures have already breached the 43 degrees Celsius marks, prompting fresh warnings and health advisory from the IMD. The early arrival of such extreme heat is no longer an anomaly, but rather an indication for broader climate shift. Meteorologists have attributed the current spell to the combination of local and global factors. Dry, hot, and westerly winds continue to sweep across the northern plain, preventing any good department and keeping the heat trapped at the surface. A western disturbance, an upper air system that usually bring brief relief in the form of rain and cooler winds, inactive, but its influence has already remained confined to the Himalayan region, failing to bring much respite to the plain. Additionally, global climate patterns such as the El Nino phenomenon in the Pacific Ocean are likely playing a role in distorting India's seasonal cycles. These disruptions are contributing to the growing unpredictability of weather, often resulting in the prolonged dry spell, delay monsoon, early heat waves. While temperatures have been climbing steadily, the IMD has made it clear that the coming days will be particularly challenging. The capital region is under a yellow alert, with authorities advising people to avoid stepping out during peak afternoon hours between 11 a.m. and 3 p.m. Precautions such as staying hydrated, using umbrella or hat, and wearing light breathable clothing have been strongly recommended. The consequences of such extreme weather go far beyond more discomfort. Public health experts warn of increased risks of heat stroke, dehydration, and respiratory illness for vulnerable populations such as the elderly, children, outdoor laborers, and those with pre-existing conditions. The risk is especially high. There are also growing concerns about the strain on infrastructure, particularly in terms of water and electricity, with power demand peaking due to the widespread use of fans and conditioning. There is a very real danger of grid overload and outrage. Water resources already under stress in several regions are likely to see further depletion as evaporation rate surge. Sil- Simultaneously, the contrast in a regional weather patterns continues to widen. While the north and central part of the country reel under extreme heat, the, nor- the northern states are bracing for heat for heavy rainfall. The IMD has forecast widespread shower accompanied by the thunderstorm, lightning, and strong winds, particularly over Meghalaya, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Nagaland, Mizoram, and Tripura. This rainfall, expected between the April 25 and 29, offers a stark reminder of India's increasingly even climate pattern, with flood and droughts occurring side by side in different corners of the nation. Concern of the nation. Further, further south states such as Tamil Nadu, Kerala, coastal Andhra Pradesh are dealing with a different but equally taxing weather patterns. Hot and humid conditions that pose their own set of challenges, particularly for urban population. This spell of early heat serves as yet another warning about the growing impact of climate change. One considered rare, heat waves are now more frequent, more intense, and longer lasting. Their consequences on health, livelihood, agriculture, and infrastructure are already being felt and will likely worsen in the absence of strong mitigations and adaptation measures as India heads into what could be one of its hottest summer on record. It is clear that the time for the reactive measures is over. Urban planning must prioritize heat resilient infrastructures, public awareness campaigning must be ramped up, and long term policy addressing climate adaptation need urgent attention.